Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the frame ratio size of your videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, I want this video to be a portrait instead of a landscape video so I can put it up on TikTok. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select ratio here and I'm going to select the 9:16 one. I can just leave it like this or zoom it in a little bit. Scroll down to canvas and go to the blur one to add in like a background here so it's not super empty. Or I can just pretty much zoom into it. There is a better way to do it, which is auto frame, but you need Pro to do that, so I prefer this way. Also for Instagram posts, it is the 1:1. Usually people, again, just like scale it up to this size. Then add in like a blur canvas. You can also add in color as well if you don't want like the blur. And then you can also add in some styles for the backgrounds, or you can add in your own background, or again you can zoom it in like this. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!